In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate captions automatically in Submagic. We'll walk through the exact process from opening the site to letting Submagic do the heavy lifting, so you can quickly add captions to your videos with minimal effort. Start by opening your browser and going to submagic.co. If you're not already signed in, logging in with your usual credentials. If your account has multiple workspaces or profiles, make sure to choose the one you want to use so your project lands in the right place. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the upper right corner and click Create a Project. This is where you'll kick off a new task. On the next screen, select Generate Captions. That tells Submagic you want it to automatically create subtitles from your video's audio. A prompt will appear asking you to either drag and drop your video file or browse your computer to upload it. Keep two important limits in mind here. The maximum duration is 5 minutes, and the maximum file size is 2 gigabytes. If your video is longer than 5 minutes, consider trimming the clip beforehand. If the file is too large, exporting at a slightly lower bitrate or resolution can help you stay within the limit without noticeably reducing quality. Also, make sure your audio is clear. Clean audio helps the captioning engine produce more accurate results. Choose your video, then click Generate Captions. As soon as you do, Submagic will start processing. You'll see your project status update as it gets to work. Processing time will vary based on your video's length and your internet speed, so give it a moment. It's best to keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page while it's running. If you need to multitask, you can switch tabs, but try not to interrupt the upload or processing. While you wait, remember that automated captioning is a huge time saver. Instead of typing every word manually, Submagic listens to the audio and generates the text for you. The clearer your recording, the better the captions will be, so recording in a quiet environment can really pay off. When processing finishes, your project will appear on your dashboard, ready for you to review. At this point, the captions have been generated automatically and tied to your video, so you have what you need without any extra steps. That's all there is to it. To recap, go to submagic.co, log in, choose your account, click Create a Project, select Generate Captions, upload a video under 5 minutes and 2 gigabytes, click Generate, and wait for your project to complete. And that's it, you've got captions the easy way.